90 minutes, hearts on fire. Every step climbed higher and higher. Against the pressure, against the noise, they never lost their fearless voice. The whole world watched beneath the sky. Dreams were living, hopes were high. Every tackle, every run, till the final battle was won. People talk